Hi everyone, my name is Shobhit Shah. Welcome to our YouTube channel Helm of Science. In the previous class, I have started the general organic chemistry. In the first class of general organic chemistry, I classified the two part of electron displacement effect, which control actually the reaction part of the organic compound or organic reactions. First one is temporary effect, and second one is first one is permanent effect, second one is temporary effect. In the permanent effect, there are three major effects. One is inductive effect, second one is resonance, third one is hyperconjugation. And the previous class I have started the inductive effect. And the previous class I have shown you that which part of an organic compound, what is the inductive effect, and which part of a compound shows plus I effect and which compound shows minus I effect. That means if it is a plus I effect, then it is electron donating effect, and if it is a minus I effect, it is electron withdrawing effect. Fine. Then I will now in this class I am starting with the order of inductive effect, that is plus in the order of plus I effect and order of minus I effect. And what is the order of plus I effect? That means the order of donating electron density towards any species or any part of an organic compound. First, we will do these two parts, that is the order of plus I effect and order of minus I effect. Now see carefully, this is minus I effect. Okay, this is minus I effect. It is looked like a very complicated thing, that is minus I. First of all, what is minus I effect? Electron withdrawing effect is for minus I effect. Now it is looked like a very complicated, but it is not actually complicated. I am explaining each one by one why this order follows. Actually, why this order follows. First of all, first I am comparing from here to here. Okay, from here to here. Look, here what is the functional group or what is the species? OF2 plus, then OR2 plus, then NH3 plus, then NR3 plus, then NH3 plus. Fine. Now what happened? Oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. It is very clear. Oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen because oxygen is a group 5 and group 6 and oxygen is group 5, and we know that from left to right in a periodic table, due to the effective nuclear charge, electronegativity increases. So oxygen have higher electronegativity. So which is a higher electronegative carrying a positive charge, it is very much unstable. Suppose you are very high electronegativity, you are susceptible towards the electron withdrawing, and we have already a positive charge, that is electron deficient, then you become more stable, more unstable, because you always want try to grab the electron density because you are an electronegative atom. Fine. If you are an electronegative atom, then what happens? Then very carefully. In this case, OF2 plus is more electronegative than any series of n nitrogen series, that is NF, that may be NF3, NH3 and NH3, whatever it is. Fine. So these two have more electron minus I effect than these three. So this order is correct. Now what happened? Now I am comparing OF2 and OR2 plus. Now in case of OF2, oxygen is attached with two electronegative fluorine atom. Oxygen is attached with two electronegative fluorine atom, and here oxygen is attached with two OR group, that is a plus I group. Any R means any alkyl group. So in this case the electron density become more deficient on oxygen atom. Electron density become very much deficient due to presence of fluorine atom. But here electron deficiency slightly compensated by the plus I effect of any alkyl group. That is why it is shows more minus I effect than this one. Understand? This is the first one. Second one, NF3, NR3, NH3. Nitrogen has positive charge with also 3 fluorine atom or highest electronegative atom. So obviously these have a more minus I effect than this two one. Okay, fine. Now this is the interesting thing is arising. What is the interesting thing is, in this case NR3 plus and NH3 plus, R group has plus I effect. I know that R group has plus I effect. Any alkyl group containing carbon, that is show plus I effect. But so here 3 plus I effect is present, 3 R group present, that means 3 plus I effect is present. So the electron density on nitrogen atom or electron deficiency on nitrogen atom is decreasing due to the plus I effect of R group, 3R group. But here there is no such plus I effect group present. So the electron deficiency on nitrogen atom is not decreasing, but so why does so happen that NR3 is more electronegative than NH3? I will explain it later. That is a exceptional part. I am mark it. This is some exceptional part. Next, 9NO2 group, then cyanide group. There is triple bond. That is if you a triple bond atom attached with electronegative atom, we know sp hybridized orbital percentage of s character is 50%, and if the s character increases, the electronegativity also increases. I have discussed in the previous video. Then aldehyde, then it's ketone. Why aldehyde is more electronegative than ketone? Like very carefully. In case of ketone, there are the plus I group, plus I effect of R that decrease the electron efficiency on this carbon atom. Okay, because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon atom, and oxygen tries to grab the electron density from carbon, and this electron efficiency is sorry for the interruption. So in this case, in case of ketone and aldehyde, ketone has this carbon has lesser electron efficient because of the plus I effect of this R group. Now, in this case of acid, it has a non-bonding electron, that is mean lone pair is present. That is non-bonding electron. If a non-bonding electron present in the beside the carbonyl group, in the C double bond O group, then the electron efficiency of this carbon group decreasing. That is a resonance effect. It will more effective when we will discuss the resonance or mesomeric effect. Fine. So this is the order of this site. Now this is very simple. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, from top to bottom, the electronegativity decreases. So the minus I effect order also decreases. Okay. Now here again a exception will appear. Look, here is OR, here is OH. Oxygen is electronegative atom, so it will try to grab the electron density, and it shows a minus I effect. That is very clear. But R group has a plus I effect. Any alkyl group show a plus I effect. So what happens if any alkyl group shows plus I effect? Then also here also OR has lesser minus I effect than OH, because hydrogen has no plus I effect. So but why it happened in this case also? First case happened in this case there is an exception, and here also there is an exception. Okay, fine, I am explaining it very soon. Now triple bond NH2 pH, CH double bond CH2. Okay, fine. Now triple bond, it is sp hybridized, and this is sp2 hybridized. So sp hybridized is more negative than sp2. That is the order of this side. So I have explained each and every order, but I have to explain the exception case, that is the why NR3 has plus have more minus I effect than NH3, and OR have more minus I effect than OH. Now I think all of you are copied in your copy. I am rubbing it now, and I am explaining only NR3 plus and NH3 plus and OR and OH. Fine, I am rubbing it. Now I am explaining the NR3 plus and NH3 plus very carefully. N is the element of period 2. Okay, N is the element of period 2. So what happened? If N is the element of period 2, then it is very smaller in size, because we know that from top to bottom the number of shells increases. That is why the size is also increasing. But N is the element of period 2, and the size is very small. So I can consider N, this is N. Fine. Sorry. This is N. Fine. Here also this is N. Now what happened? This N is attached with 3 alkyl group. That means suppose this alkyl group may be CH3, that is methyl. This alkyl group may be methyl. Now this 3 alkyl group, sorry, Now this is 3 alkyl group. Fine. Now this 3 alkyl group is bigger in size than N, and the size of hydrogen is not as much as big than as the size of H, as not as big as R. So this is smaller size in size hydrogens. Okay, so in this case NR3, this due to the having the larger size of these three group, R group, there is a collision between two R group. There is a collision, there is a repulsion, collision or repulsion takes place in this two R group. So due to this repulsion, what happens if something is repelled with someone, but something is repelled with something, that they are trying to avoid the repulsion and goes far away, So in this case, here also same places happen. This is N and this R will go far, like this one. Due to the steric repulsion, due to the collision and repulsion, this R will go far away from the nitrogen atom, and due to the going off alkyl group from the nitrogen atom, the electrons, bonded electron density, this bond have two electrons, the electron density goes from nitrogen atom. The electron density goes from the nitrogen atom, and due to this going off electron density from nitrogen atom, this nitrogen atom become electron deficient. So due to the lower this effect only applicable on the element of 2p, that is nitrogen. Another case is OR and OH, that is group. This is also an element of period 2. These phenomena only happen in case of second element of period 2. Element of period 2. Due to the repulsion between the three R groups, the R groups goes far away from the nitrogen group, and also the electron density goes far away from the nitrogen group, so that nitrogen become electron deficient. That is why NR3 have more minus I effect than NH3. There are no phenomena in case of NH3. There is no repulsion, there is no collision takes place, so there is no repulsion, there is no any exception will occur in NH3, and NR3 plus will show more minus I effect than NH3. Same case happen also in case of, I am rubbing it, in case of OR, that is something group and it is R, and this is same group and this is H. The H is smaller in size, but this group is larger in size. So due to the larger in size, this OR will electron density goes far away. So this oxygen become electron deficient, and this due to the deficiency oxygen OR minus OR has greater minus I effect on than that of OH. That is the two exception. This is a very important and a very conceptual, and in this phenomena everybody will mistake, but you very carefully in case of second element of period 2 will show this type of phenomena. So NR3 have greater minus I effect than NH3 plus, and OR has greater minus effect than OH. Fine. Now this is a order of plus I effect, and this is a very simple. Now listen: CH2 minus, NH2 minus, and O minus. CH carbon is lesser electronegative than NH, than oxygen, so it will easily release that electron density or donate its electron density. But nitrogen, in case of nitrogen, that is more electronegative than carbon, so it don't want to give the electron density towards any atom. It happens so O minus, then 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. 3 degree have 3 alkyl group, that is why it gives more electron density to other species. Then 2 degree, then 1 degree, and now this 3 is very important. CT3, CT3, CH3. Now tritium has higher atomic mass than deuterium, than hydrogen. So higher the atomic mass increasing, if the atomic mass if the atomic mass is increased, then what happens? Then the diffusion is more increased. The which have higher mass, that is more unstable, and it is try to give their mass or become a more diffused. So CT3 will give the more electron density towards other than CD3 and CH3, and it like also D, D and H. This is a very simple. This is a plus I effect order. So on the basis of plus I effect and minus I effect, we will going to the next part of inductive effect, that is the application part of the inductive effect. Fine, I am removing this one and I am going to details explanation in the application of the plus I effect and minus I effect. So now I am discussed the inductive effect, the application part of inductive effect. First application part of inductive effect. First I am writing application part of inductive effect. First, what is the application? First application is these three application, mainly three application in the inductive effect. First one is acidity order. Then basicity order. Basicity order, and third one is stability of cation or cation, positive or negative charge. These three are major application of inductive effect. First, I am discussing the order of acidity order of how the inductive effect shows that inductive effect effects on the acidity order. First I am showing this one. Now listen, I am removing this all part. Fine. Now suppose this is an acid, HA is an acid, so it will produce H plus A minus. It will produce H plus A minus. Now the first question is why I am using this equilibrium sign. Think very carefully. I am discussing about organic acids, all organic acid, the acidity order of all organic acid. Now organic acids are weak acids, and we know that in case of weak acid or weak electrolyte or anything, we use the equilibrium sign, that is in equilibrium. That means the all organic acid not fully dissociate or not 100% dissociate. That is why I am using this equilibrium sign. Fine. So more the H plus ion release, that is more acidic, or I can say this A minus, if HA is present here, it will release a proton. This is a proton. Okay, and this is a conjugate base of this acid because it releases H plus. So which one is a more stable conjugate base? In case of acid, this is a conjugate base. Which one is more conjugate base? That was more acidic in nature, because in case if the A minus is so much stable or too much stable, then it will form very easily. So the main species, the former species, will release H plus ion. This is very fine. So now in case of acidity, order of acidity, we just think about the stability of A minus ion. Now this A minus ion is a negatively charged ion. This is a negative charged ion. Now very carefully, listen very carefully. This is a very important word. If someone is hungry and I am giving you a hungry person towards him or herself, then what happens? The hungry person become more hungry because he is already hungry, and I am giving a group that will taking his food, so the hungry person will become more sick and more unstable. But if you are not so much hungry, okay, and I am giving you some species that will take you food from you, fine, so you will try to release this food towards that species and you will become stable. So if there is a negative charge, then this negative charge is stabilized by plus I effect. That means, negatively charged species is stabilized by minus I effect, because minus I effect crack the electron density or attract the electron density from this negatively charged species. So the negatively charged species try to going into neutral. But if we give plus I effect, any plus I effect group, that means electron donating group, this negative charge will become more negative charge. So this negative charge will more stable. So here I write very important minus I group stable the conjugate base and plus I group unstable the conjugate base. This is the very important. These two phenomena will control the acidity of the any organic acid. Fine. Write it down properly, and I am going to another example. First, compare the 3 degree, 2 degree, and 1 degree acid. That means compare the 3 degree, 2 degree alcohol acidity order of compare. Right? Now this is 3 degree alcohol. This is 2 degree alcohol, and this is 1 degree alcohol. This is 2 degree. This is 3 degree. Now if H degree is my H plus, that means minus H plus. Then what happens? It will look like fine. This will occur. This all alcohol will release H plus ion and become this conjugate base. Fine. These are conjugate base. Now, in the tertiary group, there is 3 plus I effect, 3R group, 3 plus I effect. Here 2 plus I effect, and here only 1. This is 2 plus I effect, and here only 1 plus I effect. So what happened? This is a negatively charged species, and I have told you the more the plus I effect, more the unstable of this negative charge. So in this case, this negative charge or this conjugate base is least stable because of 3 plus I effect group, and in this case, this is slightly stable due to only 1 plus I effect. So what is the order of acidity? Order of acidity: 1 degree is alcohol is more acidic, then 2 degree, then 3 degree. Understand? Fine. So there are the few examples of the acidity basis. First example, this is 2 degree acid, this is CH2CO2H, and this have a CH2COOH. Fine. Now I am running it first. If it release H plus, then what happens? Is become CO minus. This become CO minus, and this become CO minus. If it is also release H plus, and it is also release H plus. So in this case, this anion, this negative charge species has plus I effect. How many? Plus 2 plus I effect, and in this case 1 plus I effect. And we know that chlorine is an electronegative atom, so chlorine has minus I effect, 1 minus I effect. So I told that the minus I effect stabilizes the anion or negatively charged species. So this C will more stable than B and A. So C will highest acidic in nature among these three. Now next, this has 1 plus I effect, and this has 2 plus I effect. So 1 plus I effect group will more stable because it has only 1 plus I effect. So B will be the next acidic in nature, and A is the least acidic in nature. This is the acidic order of this compound. Now next one. Next one is compare the acidity of formic acid and acetic acid. This is a again very important one. So if it is released H plus, then what happens? This one and this one. If this negative charge has 1 plus I effect, but in this case there are no inductive effect. There is no inductive effect and there is only 1 plus I effect. So it becomes unstable. So formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid. Okay. Now, next example. Fine. There are 3 acids. Okay. Now look very carefully. If it is released H plus, then it becomes C double O minus. It becomes, and this becomes fine. Now look it very carefully. This group have simple plus I effect, and this there is a two part in this group. First one is it show minus I effect and it show plus I effect. Fine. If it will together, then it will show resultant minus I effect. Resultant minus I effect. That means CH2Cl that combinedly show minus I effect, and this also have minus I effect and this also have plus I effect. But in this case, in resultant, it will show CH2H show plus I effect. Fine. So in this case, this minus I effect will more stable this C double O minus. So in this B compound is most acidic than this one. Now comparing between this plus I effect and this plus I effect. This is the purely plus I effect, and this plus I effect slightly neutralized by this minus I effect. So the order of plus I effect is less in this case than this one. So this C is more acidic than A. Got it? So B greater than C greater than A. My next example is alkene, alkane, alkyne, alkene, alkane, and a phenyl group or benzene ring. So now, if it will release, it is A, B, C, D. If it is released H plus, then it becomes C minus. It becomes like this. Now, if I compare these three, first I am comparing these three. This is sp hybridized, this is sp2 hybridized, this is sp3 hybridized. We know that more S character, more the electronegative value or electronegativity. More the S character, more the electronegativity. If the electronegativity is increasing, then this electronegative atom stabilize the anion. I will have told you that minus I effect or electronegative effect stabilize negative charge species. If so happens so this sp have highest electronegative than sp2 and this sp3. So between A, B and C, A is most acidic, then B, then C. Fine. But here is a contradiction. This is also a sp2 hybridized. Now I am comparing this and this one only. Here negative charge ion have 3 sp2 atom attached with 3 sp2 atom, but in this case this negative charge is attaching with only one sp2 atom. So 3 sp2 atom has more electronegative effect. These 3 sp2 atom have more electronegative, so this become more acidic than this one. D is more acidic than B. So what is the order? Order is A greater than D greater than B greater than C. This is the final order. Fine. Now I am going to the last problem of this class. So this is my last example. Look very carefully. If it is release H plus ion, what is happening? Excuse me. COH. This will COH and this will CO minus 2CH2 group COH. Now listen very carefully. I have told you inductive effect is practically applicable on 3 carbon atom or 3 atom. That means the inductive effect, that may be plus I effect or maybe minus I effect, is decreasing with increasing the distance. If the distance will increase, the inductive effect also decrease. So in this phenomena will happen in this case. This COH have minus I effect, all COH have minus I effect. And I have told you that minus I effect will stabilize the negatively charged species. In this case, the COH, this is minus I effect group, is very close to this CO minus or negatively charged species. And in this case, one CH2 group is present between these two groups, that is COH and CO minus. And in the last case, in the C, this is C, this is B, and this is A. In this case, in the C, the two CH2 group, this two CH2 group is present between this COH and CO minus. So I can say this the effect of minus I effect of COH is decreasing with the increasing of two CH2 group. Here the minus I effect is least, and here the minus I effect is maximum. So which one is more stable? This one is more stable because the minus I effect was present closer to this negatively charged species. So A is more acidic than B, then B is more acidic than C. Okay, fine. This is our last problem. So I am ending this class with this problem, and next I think next class in the next class I will finish the inductive effect. That means our one rule DNP rule is remaining in the case of acidity, that is resistance number and power rule, and second one is the basicity order in case of using with I effect plus I effect or minus I effect. So I will need a 30-minute or 40-minute class to complete this one. So I am ending this class. Thanks for watching, and most important, keep practicing everything.